Welcome to Chithi Amma's channel. Chithi Amma's channel. Today we are going to make crab meat stir fry. For this we need boiled crab meat, shredded coconut, onions, ginger garlic paste, fenugreek, fennel seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric, salt, chili powder, red chili, curry leaves. Take 8-ounce boiled crab meat, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon salt or per your taste, 1 tablespoon chili powder, half cup shredded coconut. Mix all well. Heat about 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add half teaspoon fenugreek. 1 to 2 red chilies. 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Eight to 10 curry leaves. Half cup chopped onions. One tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it for about 1 minute. Add crab meat mix. Sauteed on a medium flame about 3 minutes. If you like, you can add cumin powder now. Crab meat stir fry is ready. Enjoy it with rice, roti, puttu or bread. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to Chithi Amma channel to get the latest update. Thank you. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா தயவு செய்து ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ உடனுக்குடனே உங்களுக்கு அப்டேட் வந்து கொண்டிருக்கும். Love to all Chithis and Chithi Ammas around the world.